Hey everybody, Joe Barker here. Today we're talking all about AI. And here's the thing, AI isn't going anywhere. And honestly, that's great news because those of us who learn how to use AI now will be leading the campaigns, leading the teams, and honestly, we're going to be leading the industry. The truth is, AI is not here to replace you. It's here to replace all those tasks that we don't like doing anyway. So today I'm breaking down how to use AI in 2026. We're going to be going over top tools, things you should learn such as simple prompts and techniques, and real workflows that you can use for your content and social media. At the end, we're going to be giving away our top 10 AI prompts, the exact ones that we use that help us save hours every single day. All right, let's not waste any more time and let's jump right into it. First up, let's mention why AI matters. Here's the thing, AI is not a trend, it's not a fad, and the fact is it's not going to die down, it's just going to keep amplifying. It is literally the engine behind almost everything we do in marketing. Think about it, research, writing, editing, targeting, data, creativity, literally everything we're doing, AI is behind it. So let's jump right into the tools that we use that I think you guys should consider. First up, we can't talk about AI unless we talk about ChatGPT, Grok, or Claude. These are the tools that I use for scripting briefs, brainstorming campaigns. If I'm wondering about my strategy, if I want to look up current trends, I go straight to Grok. These are the tools that literally act as your co-strategist. So think about it every time you need any content help, ChatGPT, Grok, those are the tools that you should really be considering. Next up, we need some artwork, Canva AI. I use this for thumbnails, graphics, any type of ad creative. Anytime I need some social visuals, this is when I utilize Canva. It's very easy to use, and the best thing is it's free until you start using too many of the hours on it. But definitely Canva AI. All right, CapCut. This is the next one. This is for your videos. So what we're doing right now, we're creating videos. We utilize CapCut. It does automatic edits, captions, removes filler words, repurposes long-form content, and even helps us with our podcast. So if you're looking for a video editing tool, CapCut's there for you. All right, this one's an important one. Your CRM. We personally utilize HubSpot AI. But every CRM usually has some form of AI. So it could be HubSpot, it could be Salesforce Einstein. This is where you can utilize it to help you with your marketing. It will automate email campaigns. It will help you with lead scoring. Really, you can automate a lot of your campaigns and even add in the personalization utilizing the AI built within your CRMs. Last but not least, let's mention Perplexity and Gemini. These are the two that I use for my research assistants. I use it for competitive analysis, audience insights, if I'm doing some really deep research or discovery. I also use it for pulling data and fact checking. Perplexity is key at fact checking. All right, next up, prompt engineering. This is the basics of how to get really good responses from AI. You know, you have those people who write the prompts in of like, write me an email, make this better, give me ideas. It's very basic and you wonder why the output is mediocre at best. Here's how to fix it. Always give AI a role. Tell it, act as a senior marketing strategist for fast-paced content teams. Next up, give it a clear goal. I need a YouTube hook that grabs attention in 3 seconds. Third rule, always give it constraints. Make it under 30 words. Keep the tone confident and helpful. Make sure you're giving it those guardrails in place. Next up, rule number 4, give it examples. If you know what looks good, upload what you know looks good or sounds good. Give it real examples that you've used that have worked in the past. And last but not least, make sure you iterate. The first response is never going to be the final one, and it's probably never going to be the best one. So keep working at it until your prompting gets better. Other question that we hear all the time is, how do I use AI to help me with content and social media? So here's some real workflows that you can try to utilize. First up is AI content. You can ask it to help you build a calendar, have it analyze your niche and identify trends. You can then work with it to start out building your monthly, weekly, and even your daily ideas. Have it turn each of those into scripts, captions, hashtags, thumbnails. You are going from idea to ready to post in a matter of minutes by utilizing AI. The other workflow that we use a lot is how do you take one piece of content and you get 10 additional pieces from it. So an example of that would be upload a blog, a podcast, or a long form video that you created. Then ask AI to help you build 3 TikToks, 2 Reels, 1 LinkedIn post, an email, a carousel. It can go on. You can take that one long form content and break it into 10 pieces. easily by asking AI to help you. All right, next up, we have a lot of people who utilize advertising. So you could be on Facebook or Google. AI can help you. You can have it analyze your current ad and ask it to provide you additional headline variations. You can ask it to brainstorm hook ideas with you and even adjust your messaging for different audiences. It's really easy to utilize AI, but the more information you give it about your audience will help it refine the words that it utilizes to meet with their needs. All right, next up, research and positioning. The fact is, we all want to know what's going on. So this is where you can utilize AI to help find those audience insights, break down your competitors, and even find market gaps. So think about it. Every single week, you could have AI giving you the news of what certain keywords that it's finding out there and giving it to you every single Monday. When you come in, you have all the news sitting there waiting for you. It saves you a ton of time of research and a lot of Googling. All right, here's the final thing, mindset. A lot of people that we still talk to in agents and advisors, they won't touch AI yet. They're almost afraid of it, and that's okay. But here's the fact. AI won't replace you. But those who actually learn to use AI, you're going to move faster than those who don't utilize it. So make sure that you just get comfortable with it. I promise you're probably already using AI now. You just don't realize it. So start small, start with simple tasks, start with the things that you just don't like doing as much anymore. Here's the thing. We work in AI every single day. If you're looking for a shortcut of how to get started sooner, we're here to help you. We're giving away our top 10 AI prompt. These are the exact prompts that we use to help plan our content and help us get ahead every single week. So in the description is a link. Simply click the link, follow the instructions, and we're going to send it to you. And if you like today's content and you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe because this is just the beginning of our 2026 AI series. Thanks, everybody. I'm Joe Barker. And remember, the fortune's always in the follow through.